Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I have another unboxing! Yay! Okay, let's unbox it now. Well, unpackage it, I guess you could say. Yes! Here it is! Okay, you'll get to see it in 3, 2, 1. It is the AN-225 airplane, or model airplane, sorry. No way I'm gonna be able to get this. It was shot down by a Ukrainian missile. Okay, let's open it now. Oh, beautiful. Oh gosh. And here it is in all of its glory. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Amazing. And then here are its wheels. I'm assuming you can take them on and off. I'm sorry guys, I don't have my tripod. My sister has it for her TikToks. Sadly, I don't have a TikTok, so please don't try to go and follow Tornado Boy 616 on TikTok, if there even is one. That'd be pretty cool if there was one. But anyway. On a snap, these wheels should be on. There they are! And the cool thing is that they actually move, so I could do like a little role play with this, because my other model airplanes do not, sadly. But, because they don't even have wheels, but this does. This is a little hole for the little stand to go in, and there's that stand. So, there we go. Okay, there we go. We need to move that right here. Here we go. And now, here we go. Let's put it on. Here we go. Flip it over. Here we go. In all of its glory. Hope you guys enjoyed my editing skills. They're probably terrible. Time to clean up and do an epic montage. I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing the AN-225 airplane. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.